The heat pump has an integrated control system which is used to automatically calculate the heating requirements of the house. To ensure that the right amount of heat is produced and released when needed, you also need to set a value for the desired room temperature on your heat pump. Pressing the plus or minus key will take you directly into the setting of this desired room value. Set the value you want by using these keys. Leave the settings using the left arrow key. The display now shows the selected desired room value.